Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to off talkback on Tecno mobile. Before you continue, please share and subscribe, and so let's start the video. First you have to click here in setting,
Google
then
search back button, back iOS launcher, search home screen, settings, search setting,
roll here, special function,
special function, navigate up,
then accessibility,
special function in list, P, accessibility,
then here talkback,
talkback, navigate
use
up button
talkback
out of list,
off,
accessibility, talkback on, talkback, navigate on, switch in list, stop talkback, talkback off.
finished off. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video.